Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most infamous cruise ship disasters in modern history, the Costa Concordia tragedy. But here's the big question. Where is the Costa Concordia now? Let's break it down. His leg. The Costa Concordia was a massive Italian cruise ship launched in 2005. It became world famous for all the wrong reasons after it capsized off the coast of Giglio Island, Italy, in January 2012, killing 32 people. The shocking images of the ship lying on its side remain unforgettable. After the disaster, the Costa Concordia remained partially submerged for over 2 years before the largest maritime salvage operation in history was carried out. In 2014, engineers successfully refloated the ship and towed it to the port of Genoa, Italy. Where is the Costa Concordia now? Today, the Costa Concordia no longer exists as a ship. It was completely dismantled and scrapped in Genoa between 2014 and 2017. All that remains are recycled materials, some of which were reused in construction and industrial projects. So, the iconic cruise liner is gone forever, only living on in documentaries and history books. The Costa Concordia's fate is a chilling reminder of how human error can lead to disaster. From a luxurious cruise liner to a pile of scrap, its story is one of the most dramatic in maritime history. What do you think should parts of it have been preserved as a memorial? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible stories like this one. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.